too smart for strangers. That's me, Winnie the Pooh. I'm a bear who takes care everywhere, and so should you be. Too smart for strangers. Be smart, be quick, be strong, and watch out for dangers when strangers come me. A stranger is Piglet. I was just trying to tell our friends at home what a stranger is, and now I know the answer. A stranger is something a piglet is. Some strangers, the bad ones, want to kids, and bears, and bears, and bears, and even bears. No, but there are ways to help touch yourself.
Oh, I'm too small to help myself, aren't I?
No, you're not. No matter who you are or how small you are, you can touch yourself. In fact, you have the right to touch yourself.
Oh, I'm glad to hear it, Pooh. Say, Pooh, I'd feel safer inside.
Oh, okay, Piglet. There's a fresh pot inside, and... Come on, let's hurry. Come on, let's hurry. Honey. Oh, now I remember. Honey. Would you care to me, Piglet?
No, I feel better knowing I can touch myself, and that our friends out there can touch themselves too. But how do we do it?
Well, I may forget a lot of things, but I never forget K-touching.
Could you show me how?
Here's how.
No! Oh, no!
And that's the kind of touching that gives you a funny feeling inside. Piglet, I want to touch you. You have to touch me.
Or else you will die.
Please tell your parents or someone you trust when someone tries to touch your private parts. And keep telling till someone you. Now, what would you do if someone says he'll hurt you if you tell?
It's just a trick. I'd still tell my mom and dad.
Good. And if someone says they'd hurt your parents if you told?
You must die! Or else you will die.
What if someone says they'll see and hear everything you say and do?
I know.
Right. Boy, you kids know how to touch yourselves.
My, Rabbit certainly does come a lot, doesn't he?
Oh, boy!
I wonder what's for dinner.
Rabbits
Come!